Let us see about the advanced card visual in visuals. So let me import an advanced card visual, get more visuals. You will be getting an advanced card here. You can see advanced card option here. So you can click on that, and you can just click on, and you can see who is the publisher, is someone who's outside, not from the Microsoft. And you can see what you can do with these beautiful advanced cards. So you can just click on add. It will be inserted in this card visual. It will be imported. Now you can use this. So what is the difference between the advanced card and what is, like, what you can do with this normal card? So let me show you. So this is your normal card that is comes in your visualization pane. This is called also as a inbuilt visual. So let me take sales amount here, sales amount, and I can see that your sales amount is this one. Okay, I can see your sales amount. But if I take sales amount similarly in your advanced card, so let me select the advanced card here, and let me take a sales amount here. So you can see there is similar one. You can see both are similar. There is not a much difference, but you can do lot of things with this advanced card in the formatting. So let me go to formatting here, format your visuals, and you can see there are so many other options that comes with your advanced card visual. But if you compare it with the normal visual, sorry, normal card visual, so you may not see any options. You can see there are only call out values and your categorical labels. But when I click on advanced, you can see there are so many other options. You can see you can have a prefix label, you can have a postfix label. So what are these two? Let me show you. If I on this, so let me show you how this prefix label works. Let me on this, and let me open this. So once I open this, you will be getting a text here. I'll write, hey, this is my sales. So once I write a sales, you can see something like this. Sales is equal to something like that. Sales is equal to 119 million, or you can write, this is my total sales. Okay. And you can set color of that. Yeah, you can something like, hey, I want that in dark blue or something like that. You can change the color of that text also. You can increase the font size, you can increase the font size. You can even change the font also, like which font do you want, you can change that. You can keep it that to a bold, and you can change it to italic also. Here you have those options. So this is about a prefix label on your advanced card visual. So you have a postfix label also. So let me open this postfix label. So your prefix means whatever you are writing before this cloud number, that will be your prefix sales. So if you are talking about postfix label, if I make it on, so whatever text I'm writing here, that will be after your value, that is 119. So I'll say that, hey, this is my total sales overall. Okay, let me write this as in a bracket and say overall. Okay, beautiful. You can see this is prefix and this is a postfix, and reduce somewhat size, and I say make it this italic, and you can see this as italic, and I can do this only in the advanced card visual. You cannot do that in your normal card visual. You can fill this, like if you want to fill some colors on this, you can go to fill option. You can on this, and here you have a color. Now it is a background white. Let me take something like light blue color or something like that. Now you can see your card visual has been filled. You can take any images, you can choose the transparency and see on. Let me show let me show you one of the most beautiful feature in advanced card in custom visuals is your conditions. So let me show you how it works. So if you want to like on this condition, we need one slicer there. So let me take one slicer, come to visualization, build visuals. Let me take a slicer here and let me take a country. So if I select a filter, for example, if I click on Canada, so it is showing me some 25 million sales, that is approximately 24.89 million. If I click on France, I'm getting some 24 point, and if it in Germany it is 23 point, and if it is Mexico it is 20 point. You can see this in two ways. So what is my requirement? If my sales is less than 21 million, if it is less than 21 million, what I want to change the background color. That is my requirement. So you can do that by using a conditional formatting in your advanced card visual. So click on this visual. Here you have an option called condition. So let me open that condition here. You need to make this on first and then you open it. Once you open it, you can just specify how many conditions you want to specify. I'll just use one condition for now. So let me take one condition and it is asking me what all do you want to make in that. So I want a prefix label. I want to on the postfix label also. So you will be getting these two. Okay, what do you want as if the value is less than equal to, if it is less than equal to, I'm changing if the value is less than equal to suppose 21 million. So if my sales is less than 21 million, change my background color to red color. So why red color? Because I will highlight that hey, this is my like less sales. I have to concentrate on this. You can take any color. So let me take a red and show you. Yeah, I have taken a red color. So okay, let me just minimize this and come to this slicer here. So if I come to the slicer and if I click on Canada, it is 25 million, no change. France, no change. Germany, no change because it is greater than 21. If I come to Mexico, yeah, you can see the change. Beautiful. Because it is less than 21 million. So according to that, you can add 2, 3, 4 conditions and you can say that if your sales is greater than 25 million, show me dark green. So let us do that. You have only United States where your sales amount is greater than 25. So let me click on this particular visual. Let me go to the conditions. Let me give one more condition here. Just add one more condition. You just scroll down and here you will get one more condition here. Just a second. Here I have two conditions. Let me put two and you will be getting one more condition. So if your sales is greater than 25 million, so let me copy this. You will get six zeros. That is your 25 million. Let me remove one and add five. So if I get the sales value greater than 25 million, my background color should be green color. Okay, let me take a green color. Yeah, beautiful. You can see here. So why it is showing green? Because we have taken a condition and your sales is greater than 25 million. Obviously, it is greater than 25. It is showing me the green. So if I click on Mexico, it will be showing me a red because it is less than 21. If I show Germany, it's showing me blue color because my sales is not greater than 25 million. If I click on United States, you can see that your sales amount is greater than 25 million, so it is changing to green color. This is how this is how your advanced card visual works. I hope you understood this, guys. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Keep learning.